Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Koai protocol token. Ticker symbol is KOAI. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, September 27th. We're going to go over the information on the Koai protocol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Koai protocol, KOI, a native extension directly on top of Twitter to power a retail network focused on onboarding mass users through a gamified token economy. So that's what this project's all about here. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. You can see they have a gigantic Twitter following, 152,000 Twitter followers. Has a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter. You can find the Twitter at Koai_protocol. It says backed by Binance Labs, formerly Koai Trading. And yeah, a link to their webpage. And once you go to their webpage, you can find more links as well. So it was just announced here that this token will be listed tomorrow, September 27th. At 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search KOAI, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today, a day prior, the September 26th, there is a Kickstarter event going on for this token where you could vote with MX tokens, which is Mexc Global's token. You could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT. So make sure you check that out today on Mexc Global. And also they're getting other big central exchange listings as well. So I just saw announced too that this token will be listed September 27th on Gate, gate.io. So same thing, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. I don't have a referral code for that. So you'll just have to download that, or you could go to gate.io, the webpage, and open an account there. And there is an event going on Gate as well from September 25th to the 27th that you could check out, an airdrop event as well. So they have all these huge, big central exchange listings. So recently it says Koai has hit an exciting milestone with 25,000 daily active users. Proof that the game's unique blend of strategy, competition, and rewards is keeping players hooked every day. Whether leveling up pets or competing for rewards, Koai is delivering an experience players cannot skip. So these are like some of the announcements that you could find on their socials, like the Twitter here. You can find this token on Etherscan. Although this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, it's not available on Uniswap yet. You can't really get it anywhere until tomorrow. I'm sure shortly after, around the same time it gets listed on Mexc Global and Gate, that it will be listed on other exchanges and dexes as well, like Uniswap. This token has a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. 18 decimal places on this token. When the token does go live, you'll be able to see the chart, and you'll be able to see the the price and all that type of stuff on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, probably CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap as well eventually. If you want to check out their Telegram, it is at Koai Trading_community. 38,957 members, 253 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this token with other community members, ask questions, that type of thing. And it says, yeah, Kingdom of Inscription is what KOI stands for. It says, dive into an AI-powered game economy fueled by Bitcoin liquidity. Formerly, their Telegram was at Koai Trading X, it says here. So if you go over to their webpage, they have a leaderboard over there. You can click on the game socials. It says backed by Binance Labs. There is a play now button you can click on. That will take you over to the game. Looks like you play it off of Chrome because it's got a Chrome button there. It says the consumer AI network connecting 3 billion plus global extension users on X. Play now and receive your first free pet. Start playing and farm points today. So the browser extension features, there's points, earn points for playing Koai and dominate the leaderboard with your friends together. There's adventures, pets earn XP after sending them on adventures but cost food. XP is crucial for leveling up your pet. PvP, test your pet's strength against other players for big rewards. Hunger, make sure you feed your pets regularly. If their hunger is 0, they will slowly starve to death. Very similar to the Tamagotchis that have been around forever. And then it says upgrade. With the right training, your pet can be upgraded to farm more efficiently and battle stronger pets. Start your journey today. Install the extension and receive your free pet. So besides that, most of the updates are going to be on their socials, like the Twitter. And on the X there, you know, there's a huge following too, so you can get involved with, you know, talking to others on there as well. And I don't see a white paper or anything yet like that. Their Twitter is fairly old. They joined in August 2022. And in their pinned tweet, it says, Koai is the consumer AI network. Surf crypto Twitter, refer your friends. You can farm KOAI tokens. And yeah, so they also have a vote for a $5,000 prize pool event on Gates. So they just announced that. So you can vote between different tokens like the social token, Coco token, Unio, Sniffed. I just did videos on all those tokens, so check those videos out as well. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc Global one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.